In this video, we're going to learn how to add the Developer tab in Microsoft Excel. Alright, I'm now in Excel for Office 365, and I'm looking up here in the ribbon and I can't see a tab for Developer. So that's what we want to add here. To find this, I'm going to go over to File, select Options, select Customize Ribbon, and here in the Customize Ribbon section, here's all the tabs under Main tab. What I want to do is select Developer. If you click over here, it'll show you all the different sections under this tab. Checking this box should assure that it's gonna display up here after we hit OK. So there it popped up. We now have the Developer tab, and this is pretty useful if you want to try some developer work inside Microsoft Excel. We have the code section, which has all to do with macro codes. Add-in section, so these are sub-programs or applications that can run in Excel. You just have to search for them, or you might even already have them, like the Bing Map app, and you can manage them here. The control section, and you can add objects to your Excel spreadsheets, and then you can actually link these objects over to your macros if you wish. Then you have your XML section. So yeah, with this, I think there's a lot of potential for you with Excel if you haven't dived into this area before. Alright, this is the end of the video. If you have any comments, go ahead and make one. And I'm going to be leaving, if I have any resources related to this topic, I'll leave some links in the description. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.